Hi guys, this is CA into Financial Management newly added series, and this is ratio analysis chapter. In this two newly added questions, and let's get started with the 11th practical problem sum. Let's started with the question. From the following information, you are required to prepare a summarized balance sheet for Rudra Limited for the year ended 31st March 2023. They have given debt equity ratio 1:1, current ratio 3:1, asset test ratio 8:3, fixed asset turnover on the basis of sale 4, stock turnover on basis of sale 6, cash in hand 5 lakhs, stock to debt as 1:1, sales to net worth 4, and capital reserve 1:2, and they have given gross profit which is 20% of cost, and cost of goods sold to creditors 10:1. Interest for the year is yet to be paid on long term loan at 10%. Let's start with the answer. I just wrote the given data. In this, most of the things are based on sales. For example, fixed asset turnover is based on sales, and stock turnover tails, and debtors will be based on sales calculation. So here also sales, gross profit, cost of goods sold is all based on sales. First of all, when we approach this type of problem, we have to find the figure which they have given, like amount. In this, cash in hand given, but we couldn't find anything with the help of the cash in hand in the given data. For example, in spite of cash in hand, they have given sales. We would have solved most of this, but they have not given the sales figure. So let's assume sales as X, and then in this, which and all comes with sales, we have to do it as X. So first we'll take stock turnover to sales, which is 6. Stock turnover is equal to 6. Stock turnover formula is sales by stock, which is nothing but 6. We don't know sales, we take it as X by stock is equal to 6. So stock, which comes to 6 X by 6, this will come here and this will go here. Then stock is X by 6, and then next we completed stock, we can go for fixed asset to sales. Fixed asset turnover, it will be sales by fixed asset, which is nothing but 4 times is equal to sales we assumed as X, fixed asset is equal to 4. Then we cross multiply this FA, which means fixed asset is equal to X by 4, and we completed for fixed asset. And then sales to net worth, sales to net worth is equal to 4, sales nothing but X by net worth is equal to 4. So net worth comes to X by 4. And then next we can go for debt equity ratio, which is 1:1. Debt by equity is equal to 1/1. So debt is equal to equity. It is one of the equation we have derived. And then next we can go for gross profit, which is 20% of cost. Gross profit we will normally calculate by gross profit by sales, right? Is equal to, it will come, but in this question we have given 20% of cost, so we have to minus the gross profit is equal to 20%. If it was on sales price, your gross profit will not be coming. And then we can get started with the answers. Gross profit by sales we assumed as X, and then minus gross profit is equal to 20%. When we cross multiply this, we will get 0.2x minus 0.2 gross profit. When the gross profit goes here, gross profit minus 0.25 gross profit is equal to 0.2x. 1 minus 0.2 is equal to it will come positive, and minus comes this side, it will be positive, so 1 plus 0.2 becomes 1.2 gross profit is equal to 0.2x. Gross profit is equal to 0.2x by 1.2, and we cancel this, we will get 6x by 6 gross profit. We just found out gross profit is x by 6. And here we have a cost of goods sold to creditors. With the help of the gross profit and sales, we can find cost of goods sold. So sales minus gross profit is equal to cost of goods sold. Sales is x, gross profit just found out, x by 6 is equal to, when we multiply this, 6x minus x by 6, which comes to 5x by 6, nothing but cost of goods sold. With the help of this, we can calculate cost of goods sold by creditor is equal to 10 by 1, which is 10 is to 1. Then cost of goods sold is equal to 5x by 6 by creditors is equal to 10. And then when we cross multiply this, creditor is equal to 5 by 5x by 60. Then when we cancel this, which comes to creditors is equal to x by 12. And we just completed this, and we are given stock to debtors, which is 1:1, nothing but stock is equal to debtors. Stock to debtors is equal to 1:1. 1:1. Stock by debtors is equal to 1 by 1. Stock is equal to debtors. Debtors nothing but sales. Debtors is x by 6. Here how it came, stock is equal to 1 by x by 6 is nothing but which we calculated starting, like stock turnover ratio, we calculated stock is x by 6, so we are substituting here the stock is equal to debtor, so debtor is stock. Then we just found majority of the formulas which related to sales, and let's prepare a balance sheet or nominal balance sheet, not a exact balance sheet, right? Balance sheet of Rudra Limited. Just filling the data we just found out. Net worth we found out as x by 4, and fixed asset x by 4. I'm just filling it out. And stock x by 6, x by 6, and creditors x by 14. 12, sorry, x by 12. And then we have debtors x by 6, and cash they have given in the question, which is 5 lakh. Debt equal to equity we just found out here. So here equity is x by 4, so debt will be x by 4. And the only ratio we have left with is current ratio and asset ratio. Current ratio is 3:1. With the help of this, we're gonna find out current ratio is equal to 3:1, which is current asset by current liability. Current asset nothing but stock plus debtors plus cash by current liability is equal to 3 by 1. Stock we found out, stock, debtors, cash we just found out. We're just substituting it, x by 6 plus x by 6 plus 5 lakh by current liability is equal to 3. So when we cross multiply this, current liability is equal to x by 6 plus x by 6 plus 5 lakh by 3. When we multiply this 3 with the 6, first we just do these two. So 2x by 6 is equal to x by 3. X by 3 plus 5 lakh by 3, which is nothing but x by 9. When we have to multiply this, 3 into 3 9, and 5 lakh by 3, which is current liability. We just found out the current liability, which is x by 9 plus 5 lakh. And then with the help of the current asset is equal to current liability formula. Current asset by current liability is equal to 3. So current asset is equal to 3 current liability. We just found out the current liability. So current asset is equal to 3 into current liability, which is nothing but we just found out x by 9 plus 5 lakh by 3, which is x by 3 3s are 9 plus 5 lakh, which is current asset. We just found out the total of current assets. We just substituting here is total current asset is x by 3 plus 5 lakh, and after that we have current liabilities and current assets, and with the help of this we can find out the sales by equating liabilities is equal to assets. So let's start that. Net worth, which is nothing but capital reserves plus debt long-term loan plus current liability is equal to fixed asset plus current assets. Here fixed asset we already found it. I am just substituting it. X by 4 plus current asset we found out x by 3 plus 5 lakh. Net worth we already found out the net worth is x by 4 plus loan is also x by 4 plus current liability x by 9 plus 5 lakh by 3. Then we have to segregate it separately. So x by 4 plus x by 4 plus x by 9 minus x by 4 we have to give inside is equal to 5 lakh minus 5 lakh by 3. Plus minus will get cancelled and balance will be x by 4 plus x by 9 minus x by 3 is equal to, when we cross multiply this we will get 15 lakh minus 5 lakh by 3, which is 10 lakh by 3, and here we have to take the LCM for all these 4, 9, 3, and which comes to 3, 3s are 3, and the LCM comes to 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36, 4 into 9x plus 4x minus 12x, 9 plus 4 minus 12, which is 1x by 36, nothing but 10 lakh by 3, and x is equal to 10 lakh by 3 into 36. When we multiply this we will get 1 crore 20 lakhs, which is nothing but sales, and we found out sales. Now what we have to do is, here all the data are being with sales, so we have to substitute. For example, 1,20,000 mean 1 crore 20 lakhs by 4 is net worth. So the same way we have to do for all this. That's what I'm going to do it now. So fixed asset is equal to x by 4 is equal to 1 crore 20 lakh by 4 is equal to 30 lakh. Stock is equal to x by 6. This all we found out early, so I'm just substituting in the value. 120 by 6 is equal to 20 lakhs. Debtors is equal to x by 6. 120 by 6 is equal to 20 lakhs. After that, net worth, which is x by 4, which comes to 30 lakhs, and we have only one we haven't used, that is capital to reserve, which is 1:2, which is nothing but net worth. We have to divide it into capital and reserves. So net worth is 30. When we divide 1:2, which is capital comes to 10 lakhs and reserves comes to 20 lakh, we have to substitute this in the balance sheet. And after that, loan interest, right, x by 4 30 lakhs, and outstanding interest they have given in the question, right? 10% of 30 lakhs comes to 3 lakhs and creditors x by 12 is equal to 120 lakhs by 12 is equal to 10 lakhs, and then current liabilities is equal to x. Current liability on a total is creditors, other short-term current liabilities plus outstanding interest. This is the balancing figure we just want to find out. Current liability, the figure 5 lakh by 3 is equal to creditors we just found out 10 lakhs plus this is we don't know, so we have write as it is. After that 3 lakhs, I'm writing the same thing here. 5 lakh by 3 is equal to 10 lakh plus others STCL plus 3 lakh. Then x is 120 lakh, right? By 9 plus 5 lakh by 3 is equal to, when we add this, which comes to 13 lakh plus other short-term current liabilities. When if this is one side and this is another side, which comes to, we take LCM for this, 9 3 which comes to 9, I think so. Yeah, 9. So 9 120 lakh plus 3 5 3 of 15 lakh is equal to 13 lakh plus other short-term current liabilities. Then 120 plus 15 comes to 135 by 9 is equal to 13 lakh plus other short-term current liabilities. When we solve this, we will get a 2 lakh as other short-term current liabilities. When we divide this, we will get 15 lakh, and 15 lakh minus 13 lakhs, which comes to 2 lakh, which is other short-term current liabilities. And now we just calculated all the balancing figure in the balance sheet. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.